So I have 3 finish the statement prompts for you. I don't want to call it a game, but I'll throw out some prompts to you or give you some prompts and you just say whatever comes to your mind. I can ask you these same things like 6 months from now, 2 years from now, what have you. You might have different answers, but it's really just a snapshot of where you are now. True social justice is possible when.
Okay. True social justice is possible when the people demand their humanity to be recognized, when their voice is actually heard, policies and processes are put in place, or the people won't go back to work, or the people won't make things happen, or the people are saying it costs too much to stay in the same spot, sick and tired of being sick and tired of reality, right? So that movement will affirm the ills of that social issue, but yet also the healing that can take place from the people. Too many times people have, especially marginalized situations, just said they feel like it's almost as if the people feel like they work for the government. I can't say that. No, the government works for us. If it's
Mhm.
about a government, local or national, whatever. But yeah, when people voice is activated and actually heard, not politicized.
Yeah.
Not we're gonna sign this into a bill with all these other things, and yours is just a one page in that spot. No, we're going to demand how this to be right, and we don't have to fight for stuff that we don't have to fight for water. I got to fight for water, like all right, things that should be so common and natural in that space. Yeah.
My approach to social justice is shaped by.
Mhm. My approach to social justice is shaped my wounds and my pain of seeing our people living in nightmares more than the dreams that they could really manifest and see themselves.
Understanding and sharing our social justice origin stories is important because.
Nobody wants, let me go back. Man, that quote is that statement is so good. Nobody's going to tell our stories but us. Like our stories need to be heard, need to be expressed, need to be taught, need to be broken down. Otherwise, when you begin to diminish stories, when people start throwing books away and burning books, and we can't read these stories and we can't teach this, then did that history even exist? This is a folk tale. Women, America used to do what? Man, that's a lie. That's just a folk tale. Native Americans, what? Man, no, that's a lie. So all of a sudden, everything's blended, and those who have suffered, fought, hurt, died to make that a reality, and we're living in that space, they're no longer around. They're no longer counted in that space. They're important, and our stories continuously be told in different ways, different angles, in such a way where it may hurt other people, but yet it will create a way in which they'll know we've been here and they know this is not the route to go. At least you've been accountable because you shouldn't turn left right here. And I
That's right.
told you before the story. It's so significant that our voice is worth hearing